the 2012 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, 5-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.